Hi friends, how are you? In this video, let us know about book written by Robin Sharma, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. By this book, we can learn how to develop our character and discipline. One of the lawyer named Julian Mantle had completed his education in top college. He is one of the well-known lawyer in America. He earns in lakhs per month. He had big house and a Ferrari car. He is living the life what most of the people dream to live. In spite of having all luxury, due to high pressure at his work, he was leading a stressful and unhappy life. Due to high pressure, one day he got heart attack at his workplace. After that incident, he stopped practicing law and sold his house and car. For knowing the answer for all his questions, he headed towards India. He went to Himalayas by walk. There he met Yogi Raman. In Himalayas, there is a Shivalian court. He asked to that saint what is the meaning of human life, how to be happy, how to think creatively. He got to know the answer for such questions. Yogi Raman explained him by telling a story how Shivana saints follow their rituals, but after knowing all these things, Mantle was back to America and preached Yogi Raman's lecture to everyone. Now let us know about the story. There is a garden with greenery and beautiful flowers. Between this garden, there is a red colored lighthouse. Suddenly, a sumo wrestler came out from this lighthouse. He was covered with pink colored cloth around his waist. When he was walking in the garden, he had seen a golden stopwatch and kept it to his wrist and fainted on the ground. Again, with the fragrance of yellow color rose flower, he was awakened and stood up on his feet and moved forward. On the way, he found diamonds and abundance of happiness. By this, the story was ended. Now you might think, what is this all rubbish and senseless? But in this story, every aspect is very important aspect of Shivana system. Garden, lighthouse, sumo wrestler, his clothes, golden stopwatch, fragrance of yellow rose, diamonds. All these 7 aspects has a deep meaning. In this first aspect, control your mind. The garden in the story resembles our mind. Most of us dump all unnecessary aspects in our mind. It might be fear or negative. Our mind is like garden. If we sow negative as seeds, it will result to negative thoughts. Similarly, if we sow positive as seeds, it will result to positive thoughts. So we have to sow only positive seeds in the garden called mind. Our thoughts will design our future. If you want to be happy, our thoughts must be meaningful and positive. Second one, purpose. Lighthouse indicate our goals. Shivana saints had their goals, so they don't waste their time and do what they want to do. Everyone who are born in this world and breathe in the oxygen should have their goals. If you find out the purpose of your life and goals, you will be happy. Five rules to find your life purpose. First one, create a mental picture. As you had already achieved your goals. If you want to reduce body weight, imagine that you had already reduced your weight. Second one, put pressure on yourself. Pressure will give inspiration for your goals. Get out of your comfort zone. Good tip to pressure ourselves is to talk about your plans and goals with others so that you will create an intention to work for it. Construct a timeline for your goals. Fourth one, magic rule of 21. We have to build new habits according to our goals and do it for 21 days. Fifth rule, enjoy the process. Third rule, Kaizen. In the story, we had seen a sumo wrestler resembles Kaizen. It is a Japan word which means constant, never ending improvement. In order to work continuously, we have to improve ourselves. And it has 10 rules. First one, ritual of solitude means start your day by meditation. Ritual of physicality, daily exercise. Ritual of live nourishment means eat healthy food, contains more fruits and vegetables. Ritual of abundant knowledge, which means never stop learning. Ritual of personal reflection. Journal yourself whether you are working properly or not. Ritual of early awaking. Sleep for 6 hours and wake up early before sunset. Ritual of music. Listen to music which change your mood. Ritual of spoken word. Choose a word which inspires you. Ritual of congruent character. We have to follow our rules which we believe. Ritual of simplicity. Focus on important aspects and do meaningful deeds. Rule number 4. Self-discipline. Sumo wrestler clothes resembles discipline. In order to get succeeded in life, we have to do our work on time by discipline. Fifth rule, respect your time. Golden stopwatch in this story resembles time. No human in this world is mortal. So we have to respect our time by proper planning. Plan for 15 minutes for next day before sleeping. Plan 1 hour for the following week on every Sunday. Rule number 6. Serve others selflessly. In our story, the fragrance of yellow colored rose will awaken the sumo wrestler. In this way, we should also plan good deed for this day and respect others wholeheartedly. Serve the friends who are in trouble. Be good with family members. If you do this, you will be happy and you will get abundant of happiness in your life. Rule number 7. Live in the now. Sumo wrestler headed in the way where diamonds were spreaded. It resembles live in the moment. Most important thing we have to know is happiness is not a goal, it is a way. In the journey of our life, we will meet many people like diamond. So we have to show gratitude. Nothing is more important than present, so be happy at the moment and thankful for the people you are surrounded with. Finally, by reading this book, we got to know that leading a happy and meaningful life is possible for everyone. We should not focus upon negative words and use our time properly. We should drive our thoughts upon our goals and show gratitude and love for the people you are surrounded with. If you want to know the purpose of life, you have to read this book. It is also available in Telugu and English. If you like this video, share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching.